Spirits of the Game, where the art of whiskey making meets the spirit of the game. Experience the energy of the World Cup in 4 iconic cities and enjoy the ultimate viewing experience on a luxury cruise charter with fine whiskey, exceptional service, and uncommon experiences. Indulge in unique experiences that will leave you feeling like a champion. Join the Travel Agency for the ultimate